We're coming to the end of the financial year. We're in February and coming into March. This is the time where a lot of business owners will say, ooh, need to get rid of some of this profit. And a lot of questions we get asked is, if I go and buy a new ute or a new car, or if I go, for example, and buy a commercial premise, is this going to help me bring down my profit? The simple answer is no. As a general rule, profit is reduced by expenditure. Expenditure is consumable by nature. So as a general rule, if you're going to use the thing you buy within 12 months, it's an expense. If it goes over 12 months, it's an asset. So think of a car. A car is going to last more than 12 months. In fact, according to the IRD, a car will last for 5 years. So if you purchase a car, for example, for $50,000, and we take a straight line basis, you're going to write $10,000 off a year. That's in depreciation. So the $50,000 car is not going to drop your profit by $50,000, it's going to drop your profit by depreciation. Now if you buy the car on the 1st of April, and you're a March balance date, you'll get the full depreciation through the next financial year. But if you bought it on the 1st of March, you're only going to get 1/12 of that $10,000. So you've bought a $50,000 vehicle and the deduction that's going to come off your tax as an expense is around about $833. Not quite the intention you're looking for when you're trying to write off your $50,000. So if you're looking at a new vehicle, possibly the best time to look at it is from the 1st of April. That's when you're going to get the full benefit of that depreciation of the new asset, and it also hasn't looked at what you might be trading, because let's face it, in the current COVID environment, second-hand vehicles are very much retaining their value and the depreciation may not reflect the real market value. So you might be hit with a double banger if you sell it before the 31st of March. Depreciation recovered on your existing vehicle, which is tax income, and a very small fraction of the depreciation for 1 month. So before you start considering how to get rid of that unwanted and pesky profit, best to talk to your advisors.